This is chapter 2, lesson 8, number 1 from the workbook. And I have Hannah and Francine have $120. Hannah and Peter have $230. Peter has 6 times as much as Francine. How much money does Hannah have? Alright, this one's tough because we have a lot going on. What I do see is if we have really a couple different problems. We have this, which is semi-different from this. But I see that Hannah overlaps. So I do have a total for 2 different problems. I have a total, the big part is 230. That would be Hannah and Peter together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this bar model horizontally across there like that. And up here I also have another problem. It's Hannah and Francine. And this is $120 total, which is slightly more than half of what Hannah and Peter had. So I look at that as 120. Okay, now it's a good visual here to get me started. I have Hannah and Peter down here, and this whole bar is going to represent their Hannah and Peter total money. And then up here it's going to be Hannah and Francine total money. Okay. What I see here is that I have, let's call this the grand total, and this is the part of the grand total. And what I can see is that I have a gap. With this bar model, I can quickly see that that's called a difference. The difference between the blue and the black. And the difference is performed with subtraction. So this difference right here is 110. So this section, even though it's not part of the problem, the difference is 110. It's not part of the problem yet, I should say, but it's going to help me later on down the line. Okay, so now let's see what else we have. We also have now that Peter has 6 times as much as Francine. So I don't see where I can do that. It's very difficult until you do some of these problems to really get it, this whole concept and how it works. But once you get it, it's great. Let me put a box right here that represents Francine. Now, if that little box is Francine, Peter should have 6 of those, because he's got 6 times that. So what I do is I just drop down and make 1 box for Peter. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now they should be equal sizes. Now, not perfect there. It doesn't have to be perfect with the visual, but it should be close because they should represent 6 times the amount of Francine. Okay. Now, what do I do from there? I have many problems to get done before I can solve the actual question that you're asking. Alright, so, what do I have? Well, let's look back at that 110 and see why it's so important. Because this area here is worth $110. But inside that area, Peter has 5 of its units. So if I have a total, yes, and I have equal parts, these are equal, yes, I'm going to divide 110 by those 5 equal units. Calculator or standard multiplicative algorithm, I would see that I would have 22. Sorry about the smart word, still getting used to it. Each of these is 22. Now, if each of those is 22, this is the same size. So Francine has 22 of the total, $22 of the total. Okay, now get Hannah? Well, now I have another mini problem. I have a total, yes. I have unequal parts because Hannah is different than Francine. So what do? I subtract. Subtract what? 120 minus 22. And I get $98. It's the amount of money that Hannah has. 98 plus 22 is 120. And if I added this all up, Hannah and Peter should have 230. I can check that. So Hannah has $98. Once again, just another disclaimer. You can solve it any way you want in 5th grade. Go ahead. I know some parents want to teach advanced algebra. You certainly do it with algebra. But right now in 5th grade, learning a visual is going to be great if you give it some time and some patience. It's just going to take some practice.